Happy Saturday. Here's little kitty. Happy Saturday. What are you up to today? Just being a cutie as usual. Every time I turn this on, this video, you stop talking because you're so silly. Yeah, but you're cute. But you're cute. You're a cutie. Are you going to say hello to everyone? No. Are you going to give a kiss? Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. No. No kisses. Clean your feathers. Clean your feathers. Your angel little feathers. You're so cute, Mama Johnny. Bambinoshire. Bambinoshire. Hope everyone's having a good Saturday. Whoop, there we go. Oh, you're too cute. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for all your subscriptions. From Bambinoshire. Also, visit the Luke Diamond Show. You will really, really enjoy it. It's about spirituality, numerology, so on and so on. Anyways, hope everyone's having a good Saturday. Until next time. Until next time, Bambinoshire. Bye for now.